Hey guys, Sarah here, Bronx here, Josie here, Harley here. I even got a cat sitting up here. It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Allure beauty box unboxing. This box is $15 a month and you get full and sample size products valued at $50 to $90, and then new members get a free gift valued at $15 or more. Josie's really excited. She's, oh my God. Okay, think we're good. Think everybody's over the fact that I'm talking to myself and has calmed down. Let's just go ahead and open this up. This is only my second time getting this. So the first thing I'm seeing is this little pamphlet that comes in here. It just says Allure Beauty Box, and then inside it has a couple pages. Oh, my lighting's a little bright. With everything that you get inside. So we're not going to look at that. Want to be surprised. I don't know anything that I'm getting in this box. I haven't seen any spoilers or anything, so let's just go ahead and see what we got. This is a rose petal facial mask. This is from the brand Feel, and I guess the mask is called Harmony. So let's see. Feel and look your best. Rich in rose petals, rose essential oils, and rose flower extracts. Highly concentrated toning gel that hydrates deeply, and fortified with vitamin E and C. So it's just a mask, basically. I'm not going to open it. I hate the smell of roses, so I will add this to a upcoming giveaway. I have used other things from this brand in the past, and I did like it, so there's that. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing in here is from Olay. It is the Regenerist Whip. This is a, I think, anti-aging thing. Powerful wrinkle results without heaviness. So it's a moisturizer for wrinkles. So use day and night. So again, I'm not going to open that. I'm fairly certain this brand tests on animals. So this is a pass for me, but I do use anti-wrinkle cream. I'm getting a little older these days, so I do like anti-wrinkle cream, just not this brand. So that will also go into an upcoming giveaway. Okay, let's see. The next thing I'm seeing in here is from, how do you say that? Ouai? Ouai? Okay, so this is a leave-in conditioner. I've never used anything from this brand. Let's go ahead and see what it smells like. It smells very clean and nice. I'll have to research into this brand. I've never used them to find out their cruelty-free status, but if they are, I'm excited to try this. It smells really, really good. The next thing I'm seeing is an eyeliner from Doucce. Doucce? Not sure if my camera is going to focus on that because it's so shiny. But it's an eyeliner in blue. Again, I'm not going to use this, not because I don't like this brand. I do have a couple things from this brand, and they are cruelty-free. But I can tell you right now, this is like baby blue, and that is not a color that I would probably ever wear in my eyes. I do like that they sent something really cool and different like this, but it's just not for me, the color. I don't know if it's because I have blue eyes that blue things just don't look good on me, or I honestly haven't really tried them, but so I don't know, just not my cup of tea. So I will give this away in an upcoming giveaway. So that's right there. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna open up here, also, actually I'm not gonna open it up. This is from Makeup Forever. It's just I wanna say lip pencil. Oh. It just says artist color pencil. That's not very, let me look in the little book here, see if it gives us more information. So a pencil that's designed to be used all over. It's perfect for traveling and executing monochromatic looks. You'll either get, so they're giving you the shade colors. You could have got brown or red. So it says it can be used as lip color, blush, contour, eyeliner, eyeshadow, and brow pencil. Okay. That's a little strange to me. I can see like lip liner, eyeliner, maybe eyeshadow, lip color, but contour? Who's contouring with red? Interesting. I'm not going to swatch this one either. This brand test on animals, which is really sad because I actually really like this brand. But again, this will be going into a future giveaway. Okay, so the next thing is a lip balm from the pharmacy. So there's that. With shea butter and rosehip to keep lips soft. I'm not sure if this brand tests on animals either, but like I said, I always put that information down below after I do research everything that I got in the box. Sorry. It smells very citrusy. I do really like the smell. It's like a clear, kind of like a shiny lip balm. So yeah, I'm interested to see if this is something I can use. If not, I can give it to my husband. He'll wear it too. Let's see. This is called Luna, and it's from Sunday Riley. It is a retinol sleeping night oil. So retinol is for anti-aging. If you don't know, if you're younger, lucky you. Again, never tried anything from this brand. Don't know their cruelty-free status, so I will look into that for you if you care. So it's like a blue liquid. Whew. It stinks, honestly. Does not smell good. Okay. I'm just trying to see what's in it that, oh, I guess it's the retinol. So it's got chamomile, essential oils to calm redness. So it says it works in about 4 weeks. I feel like that's enough oil for 4 weeks. Oil goes a really long way on the face. Okay, one more thing. This is from Derma E. Sun Protection Mineral Powder. Ooh, that's interesting. So it's vegan, cruelty-free, and reef-safe, which is always, that's cool. I've not seen, I don't know if you can see that down there. The little fishies at the bottom. That's pretty exciting. I've never seen that on any packaging, so that's, if that's a new thing, I like that. I don't live near any reefs or any water for that matter. I live in the heat of Arizona, but that's very cool. I like that they put that on there. Let's see. It looks like in this picture, the girl has got like a little brush there that she's using it with. So it looks like if you buy the full size, it comes with that. So let's see if this is a good color for me. Looks like a decent color for my skin. So I'm just going to show you the color on my skin is like a white people beige, I guess is what I'm calling that. If I don't let me ever name makeup. It looks like it just rubs into the skin. I'm not sure. I've never, you know what? I feel like it's been years since I've used powder as foundation. I feel like that's a thing you do in middle school. So I don't know how I feel about that. I would definitely try it again though if it's something that works. So it's got the SPF and all that stuff in it. So that's kind of cool. I definitely will try that. Maybe like, it'd be nice, you know, days where you don't want to wear foundation or you don't want to take all that time to do your makeup, especially in the summer when it's so hot. So yeah, that's cool. I'm really excited about that. So overall, my thoughts on this box, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 products. Wow. 4 that I'm not going to use and only 2 of them because I know they're not cruelty free. That's the Olay and the Makeup Forever stick. 2 that I'm not going to use because I don't care for them. That's this. And then if these 4 end up not being tested on animals, like, that's exciting. That's cool. So yeah, overall, I think it's a good box. I definitely think it's worth $15. I know this alone, like the full size is, I want to say like $30 or something. Like it's pretty expensive, anti-aging stuff. So yeah. I just want to remind you, don't forget that I do have a giveaway going on right now. I will link that down below in the description, and I'll put a little card up top so you can enter that. It ends in like 2 weeks, a week and a half, something like that. So go ahead and enter that, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And that's all I have for today's video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.